Today is the 15th of October, and that means that the pre-orders of the Pixel 5 have finally been shipped. And so today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. This is the just black version, as you can see. And before we get started, let's just take a quick look at the box. So on the front here, you can see the Google logo, Pixel 5 and 5G, which is a pretty common theme on the box. And it's got the picture of the device itself with that dual camera setup, the flash sensor, the fingerprint module and the Google logo. Okay, on the other side you can see the Google logo and some device information and 5G. So flipping the box over, we have the hashtag Team Pixel and two pull tabs, which is interesting. You don't need to slice anything this year, and it's not plastic, so that's pretty cool. Right, let's get those out of the way. Alright, straight on the top we have the Pixel 5 itself. I will set that aside for now. And then below that we have a little pull out with some, I'm guessing, user manuals. And this is also a power brick with a USB-C, so I'm guessing it'll be a USB-C to USB-C cable. So yeah, a USB-C brick and a USB-C cable. And finally there we have a quick switch adapter. So it is basically, if I can get it out, it is basically a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so you can connect your old phones to the new Pixel and transfer all your data. So let's take a look at the phone itself. Here is the camera module. Up close you can see the two modules and the flash. So there is an ultra-wide sensor and a regular sensor. And here you can see the fingerprint scanner and then the Google logo. It's quite nice and reflective. It's a mirrored effect, which I quite like. So on the front, let's just do a quick peel. And then there is the screen. You can see the front-facing camera. It is a hole punch, which is pretty interesting. I've never had a hole punch phone before. But there we go, you can see the camera, hello. Right, let's take a look at the sides. So here, I don't know if you can see it, there is the SIM tray, and on the other side, a power button. It's missing the iconic Pixel color. Normally they have a nice styled button. This year they've just gone for a plain reflective one and the volume rocker. So let's power it on and get it set up. So let's turn it on, hold down the power button. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention on the back of the manuals, because no one really checks those, there is the SIM ejection tool, so you can open the SIM tray, of course, every phone has one. Alright, here we go, the phone has started up. I'll flip it over so I can have a look. It says, "Hi there," and it says English United States, vision settings, emergency call and start. So I will just select English United Kingdom and start. Now it's just saying to connect to a mobile network, but I think I will skip that for now. Quickly, I will just connect to my Wi-Fi as well. Now, as you can see, it's just saying, just getting your phone ready, and I'll wait for that to finish. So now it's asking me to copy over my apps and data, and I think I will do that. I'll get my old phone out. This is my Galaxy S9. So let's just click on next. So it says, use your old phone. You need your old Android or iPhone device. Turn it on and keep it unlocked. All right, so next, find your old phone's cable. This is usually the cable used for charging. All right, so now I need to plug in the old S9. Wow. And then I need to get the quick switch adapter. I think that's what it's called. Insert the cable. Yeah, I skipped a step. It said connect the adapter and cable. And it says phones are connected. Check your other phone. Then it says copy data to your new phone. So I will just click on copy. Verify my identity, just fingerprint, and it's copying everything over. There we go. So it's just asking me to sign in with my Google account. Now on a white background, you can see the hole punch camera, front-facing camera, a lot better, and the really symmetrical bezels, which I really like, because my S9 is quite uneven. You can't really see it that well, but it is a lot more uneven. So now it says continue setup on your Pixel 5. So it says choose what to copy, and I'm going to select my apps, photos and videos, saying choose what to copy, 3.9 of 87 gigabytes. So saying apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, SMS messages, MMS attachments, device settings, call history, and then all the other Google stuff. So let's click on copy. And it's doing it. It's pretty easy. Just got to wait for it to finish, and I'll get back to you then. Oh, it's asking me to confirm some Google services while this happens in the background. I'll just leave everything on except for send usage and diagnostic data, because yeah, no one wants that. Cool. Now it's asking me to set a screen lock, and I will do that. And you're not going to see it. Now it's saying unlock with pixel imprint, so I'm guessing, yeah, that is the fingerprint scanner on the back. I will quickly set that up. So it says touch the sensor, it's on the back of the phone, use your index finger. Right, here you go. It's saying lift, then touch again. Put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration. So let's try it. Oh, it's working. 3/4 of the way, and it's done. Very, very easy. I have let the cat in and the copying has finished. So it says to finish setup on the Pixel 5. So now I can close it, and I'm guessing unplug my old phone. Just click on next. It's just loading, and continue setup. Keep going to get your phone fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. And I definitely think that I will finish it now. Okay, there we go. That's it. Everything is done, but it says anything else. I'll just show that a bit closer. Anything else, and it says set up other email accounts and all this other stuff. So I will just do no thanks, and we can get into the phone. No thanks. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. So I'm guessing it's just going to do final setup, like installing all the apps because they've transferred over, and just making sure all the settings are good. Alright, so it says go home. So these are the new gesture controls, which I didn't have on my S9. So it's saying to go home, you just swipe up from the bottom. Then to switch apps, you swipe up from the bottom of your screen, hold, and then release. And finally, to go back to the last screen, you just swipe towards the middle from the left or right edge. So pretty intuitive. And to use the Google Assistant, you just swipe up from either bottom corner. And you can start talking when the assistant glows. So it says I'm ready to go, and I can also turn off the gesture navigation if I want. It'll probably take some getting used to, but I think I'll keep it. Swipe up to get started. Oh, I did it, there we go. Nice, so it's even transferred over my wallpaper. That's pretty cool. So that was my unboxing and initial setup of the new Pixel 5. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments, and do you think it'll upgrade? I'll be working on a full review soon, so make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.